So friends, welcome to another altcoin update video. Today we're going to take a look at another altcoin request from you, and it's about UMA, which is currently trading at 270 in an interesting range. If you're already in, feel free to drop your opinion below about whether you'd buy more here and what convinces you about the project. I didn't know about it before, I just took a closer look at it from the altcoin wishlist. So definitely stick around until the end. I will definitely mention a few buying zones for you. We're going to take a quick look at the project. And yes, if you're interested, feel free to join the free Telegram talk and Signal group. There you are, always up to date. You'll definitely get the latest videos and signals. And if you're still looking for an exchange where you can trade, stake, and do other things, you can do that at my partner exchange BingX. Link to it in the video description, and you support the channel. I first checked the token supply on CoinMarketCap. The market cap is $225 million, a normal range. I checked both price and market cap. We have a market cap of 225 million, so it's neither a high cap nor a low cap, just an absolutely normal range. And I always like to check not just the price, but also the market cap. And the market cap was around $1.5 billion at the peak of the bull run. Right now, we're at $250 million. $1.5 billion. Right now, we're at $250 million. 5-6x to ATH. Remember, 5-6x possible in bull run. I always like to check this out a bit, because when the tokens increase significantly, sometimes the all-time highs aren't really in reach anymore. Just keep that in mind. 5 to 6 times it's possible for the upcoming bull run to break the all-time high. Now let's take a look at the chart. We had a really nice rally from our low point in early November at just under $2. Then it went up significantly towards $4, and we saw a pump of 124%. It looks like more than it really is. We've seen 124% with a lot of coins, at least 100%. In some cases, it was even 200 to 600%, so nothing really groundbreaking. For some, it was even 200 to 600%, so nothing really earth-shattering. And interestingly, we also haven't reached the March high, which was just under $7. So it's not really, an enormous run that we've had here. We need to stay a bit grounded. As a result, there was, of course, a complete crash. About 50 or rather 40% went down first. We fell into the golden pocket, we filled all the inefficiencies, so everything is nice and good for now. Then there was the rise, which at least held up to 293. Here's a small supply zone. It got hit for now, and now it's going back down. But still, for everyone who finds this project interesting, these are actually very good entry zones, because this was kind of the bottom range that we formed throughout the entire bear market. So it's clear it went down again here to 150. Still, most of the time we actually traded in this range. So I'd say around 25. For those who really want to get in, this is a good opportunity. The second option would be down at these low points at 2.13 and then again at around 150 down here. That would then be, as mentioned, our bear market low that we formed here. From there, the lows went down to just about 122. These are the ranges that apply for now, and on the larger time frames, the chart doesn't really look that impressive. So we had an absolutely amazing run. The last bull run, where it went up to $44, which is a significant price. His rise, I just pulled it up from the current position to the all-time high, which is 16x. Earlier, we looked at it from the market cap perspective, or rather, also from the tokens that are in circulation, they were 5 to 6 times up to the all-time high. That means whether we can break the old all-time high again is very questionable. Whether we can even break the golden pocket, which is still 10x from the current price, is very questionable. Let's go down to the Fibonacci retracement level, where we would be looking at around 7 to 8 times, and here we also have a bit more confluence. You can see over here a lot of trading that took place. I'm trying to zoom in a bit closer. So a lot was traded in this area around $22, and I would now claim that from the market cap perspective of the last bull run, this is currently more or less my all-time high. That means 6 to 7 times would definitely be possible here if this run happens from the current position and considering the market cap. So that means I'm a bit more pessimistic here. I don't know this project, I'm not invested myself, but I will still consider taking a closer look at it, simply because the potential for gains is obviously a bit more attractive, I would say, and the chart structure shows that we haven't really seen a proper breakout here yet, so we're still kind of just floating around, but we are forming higher lows, which is really good. But we need that break above 476 for a sustainable breakout. That's it from me. Feel free to write down below if you're invested. We'll catch up in the next video. Until then, ciao ciao, and as always, stay crib you send.